There was a day in February 2015 when my husband was told to expect the worst, and my devastated family put their lives on hold. I had sepsis, and the battle to beat the bug wasn't going well. Who knew, not I, that a cough could open the door to a ruthless and determined enemy intent on destruction? Today we launched the cross-party group on sepsis to a packed room of survivors, assembly members, clinicians and the bereaved. The aims of the group are threefold. Firstly, to raise the profile of sepsis. It kills more people than lung cancer. Secondly, to encourage greater prevention and ensure that there's a programme of support to help those who are living with the consequences of the disease, such as Jane Carpenter, a nurse from the Royal Gwent, who lost both of her legs, an arm and 4 fingers as a result of sepsis. And thirdly, to achieve a clear sepsis pathway and an increase in public awareness. Not everyone is lucky enough to talk about their sepsis story. A third of us with sepsis die. A third suffer consequences like Jane, and a third walk away relatively unscathed. But no one escapes scot-free. Please help us to change that. This is a cross-party group that is aiming for its own extinction, and with your help, we can make that difference.